Hi, welcome to the training of Bootstrap 3. This is the first video in which we are going to cover 3 more points. So the first is how to download, and then after what is CDN and how to use it, and both of these things I will give you with example. So let me give you an example that firstly the first thing is that how we can download this. So you have to go to getbootstrap.com. getbootstrap.com, and once you will click, you will find out this and here you have to select Bootstrap 3. So this is most important, Bootstrap 3.3.7, right? Once you will click, then you would have the option of download Bootstrap. So you have to click. Once you will click, you will after few minutes after few seconds you will find out this screen, and then after you have to click on download Bootstrap. And then you will get Bootstrap. You have to go to your download folder, and here is the downloaded file, zip file, and you have to extract here, extracted, and then after you have to copy this bootstrap.min.css. Actually we have these two files, bootstrap.css and bootstrap.min.css. So what is the difference? The difference is that bootstrap.min.css is compact file. Compact means there is no space inside of it, right? So for example, if I am going to open this file on my editor, then this is the CSS that is of bootstrap.com. But if I will open this bootstrap.min.css, then you will find out that the whole code is written in one line. Here you can see this is in one line. You can scroll from here and you can see that this is in one line, right? So in this sense this is more compact, so the memory would be required less as compared to the bootstrap.css, which is not minified. Dot min means minified file. So now what we have to do is we have to copy this file bootstrap.min.css from here, and I am just pasting this on the here, right? So this is my bootstrap.min.css, and now I am just coming to the example. So here is HTML and bootstrap example. Then after now I would like to implement the thing, right? So this is bootstrap.example.html, bootstrap.example.html, and over here there is nothing, right? So if you want something, it means that you have to write here something. For example, I am writing h1, right? So this is bootstrap here, this is bootstrap example, right? So once you will save and refresh, you will find out this is bootstrap example, right? So as you know, that might be you don't know, in the later videos we would discuss deeply, but for now if you want to change the background, as you know that you have to write some CSS, but in bootstrap you have to write only here in the body class bg, for example primary. So once you will refresh, sorry, why this is not applicable here? Because we haven't included the file, bootstrap file. So how that would be linked? Link, and we have that file on the desktop, which is bootstrap.min.css. So from here we shall copy this name and then paste here. So now if you will refresh the page, okay, bootstrap.min.css, right? And now if you will refresh this page, you will find out that the background has been changed now, right? So this was the bootstrap example, right? So this was one way to use the bootstrap. The other way is that you use cdn. So how to use cdn? For say example, I am just going to the, yes, here you have a lot of examples. Here is the cdn. So what you have to do is you have to copy this link from here and paste here, right? I am just going to delete this and then paste here. So the same thing would happen, means right now if you will change the background color and refresh this, that background would be same, in the sense the bootstrap is working, right? For example, I am changing here danger. So now the little bit red might be you are seeing, and if you use success, then you can also see the change, right? So for now you have to keep, or might be info, this is also the color, right? These are little bit dim color, but you can use primary for now. So this is the it means that bootstrap is working. So we have used cdn as well as the file which we have downloaded as well. So what is the difference between both of them? If your internet is on, then you would able to access this specific link, otherwise you couldn't able to use the bootstrap. But if you have downloaded the bootstrap in your system, then you only have to give the path here, right? And that will work offline as well as on offline. Why? Because your the whole bootstrap is in your system. So what does cdn mean? Cdn means content delivery network, right? Means somewhere from the server using this link through internet, you could able to fetch all those all the content of bootstrap.min.css into your system. Means you can able to access all those features from that file, right? So these are the two ways using which we can use the bootstrap, and in the next videos we would cover a lot of other things. So please keep watching the videos so that you could able to cover all those concepts, and I am going to cover a lot of beautiful content and you will definitely enjoy. And for now what you have to do is, if you want to cover the theory part, you can also go through this content. Here is the documentation, and there are also components, and all the things are included here. For example, you will click on bootstrap. Here is you will also see, once clicking get started, then here is some basic things like how to download and all. Then after you will also find out the other content, so you can access all these things from here and read the content. And the other option is that you can also go through the W3 school, right? From here you can also learn Bootstrap 3, and here you will find out the point to point content, and what is bootstrap history, why use bootstrap, where to get bootstrap, all the things are included here. So from both of these things you can take the help, right? So hope that you find this video fruitful, and even I have given the example, so in this way you could able to understand it better, right? So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. All the links of my video courses are below in the description, which are absolutely free. So in the next video we would learn new and wonderful things. Please subscribe this channel firstly to get the information of updated videos. In the comment section you can write your feedback about the video and also write your queries if you have any. Have a nice day ahead.